Right now, there's a giant weak spot above Earth, a region so unusual that satellites passing through it often experience glitches. Computers can reset, sensors can fail. Spacecraft operators pay very close attention whenever they enter it. The strange part is this weak spot is growing. Scientists still debate exactly why. It's called the South Atlantic Anomaly. Some people have even called it a crack in Earth's invisible shield. But what exactly is happening above our planet? Should we be worried? And why does this mysterious region exist at all? To answer that, we need to begin at the center of the Earth. Most people never think about Earth's magnetic field because we can't see it. But without it, life on Earth would look very different. Our planet is constantly bombarded by charged particles from the sun. These particles travel through space at incredible speeds. If enough of them reach the surface, they could damage technology and increase radiation exposure. Fortunately, Earth has a natural defense system, an invisible magnetic shield called the magnetosphere. Think of it as a giant force field surrounding the planet. It redirects much of the incoming solar radiation, protecting both people and technology. For billions of years, this shield has been quietly doing its job. But like any shield, it isn't perfectly uniform. Scientists first noticed something strange while tracking satellites. As spacecraft passed over parts of South America and the South Atlantic, unexpected problems sometimes occurred. Instruments behaved strangely, and electronic systems experienced disruptions. Radiation levels appeared higher than expected. At first, these incidents seemed unrelated, but a pattern began to emerge. The same region kept appearing in the data, stretching across the South Atlantic. Eventually, scientists gave it a name, the South Atlantic Anomaly, or SAA. They discovered Earth's magnetic field is significantly weaker there than elsewhere. Imagine Earth's magnetic field as an umbrella. If one section becomes thinner, more particles can sneak through. That's essentially what happens in the South Atlantic Anomaly. The weakened magnetic field allows charged particles to come closer to Earth. For people on the ground, this usually isn't a problem, but for satellites, it's a different story. When spacecraft pass through the anomaly, they encounter increased radiation. Some operators temporarily shut down sensitive instruments, not because something always goes wrong, but because the risk is higher. Even the Hubble Space Telescope takes precautions when passing through the region. So, what causes this giant weak spot? The answer lies thousands of kilometers beneath our feet. Earth's magnetic field is generated deep inside the planet in a turbulent outer core of molten iron and nickel. This liquid metal constantly moves and generates electric currents. The flow isn't perfectly symmetrical, and some regions behave differently than others. Scientists believe a massive structure deep beneath Africa may influence the flow of molten material below. This disturbance may help create the unusual magnetic behavior observed above the South Atlantic. In other words, the anomaly in space may be connected to events occurring deep inside Earth. Scientists have observed changes over time. The anomaly appears to be shifting and expanding. Some studies even suggest it may be splitting into multiple regions. Is this normal, or is something bigger happening? Earth's magnetic field has always changed. It's dynamic and constantly evolving. Throughout Earth's history, the magnetic poles have reversed many times. Evidence suggests it could happen again someday, and the South Atlantic Anomaly may provide clues about these long-term processes. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.